What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I'm just doing a quick install of this skid plate. So I got this car about a week ago. I got it on the 1st of April. Because I got the car late in the evening, all I was able to do was check all the tire pressures, reduce them to the right amount, check the oil, make sure they changed it, check the level, and so forth. So when I came home the next day, I was able to go underneath the car just to check how it looks under there. I wanted to make sure there was no leaks or anything like that, because when you buy a car from Carvana, they give you 7 days to pretty much test drive it, see if you like it, things like that. And you know, you can return it as long as you initiate within, actually from the 1st to the 7th day. No questions asked. They'll take it back and give you back, you know, whatever money that's coming to you or whatever the case might be. I go under there, and this, I'll put up a picture on the side, but I go under there and I'm seeing the oil pan and the oil filter. I'm like, oh, that's cool. This entire piece was missing. And, you know, this is a very important part, obviously, because it's protecting that filter and the oil pan. You know what I mean? So what I ended up doing was I ended up contacting Carvana, telling them that, listen, I love this car. I want to keep it, and I'm trying to fix it. And I know they changed the oil in-house. So what I did was I was trying to figure out, like, hey, can you just take a run down to the shop? I didn't know really where it was. Like, obviously I'm calling a hub, but I didn't know if the person answering the call was located at where they do the work. So I'm like, can they send me this piece or whatever? And he was like, you know what? I'll just give you, he gave me some money, because I told him, I said, this entire plate, I said, they don't just sell this piece by itself. You know what I mean? They sell it as an entire piece. So he was like, you know what? He gave me more than the cost of what this cost. This cost like about $155, somewhere about close to like $160. I got it from Car ID, and I got it literally, it's like a, if you place it, you can get it almost like 2 days or next day. So this got shipped out yesterday morning. I placed the order on Saturday, but it was literally after 3 o'clock is their cutoff time. So obviously they didn't ship out Sunday, obviously with Easter, and I don't think UPS ships on Sunday anyway, but it went out yesterday because I got the confirmation, and boom, it was actually at the house like around 1 o'clock. So I was like, perfect. So it's damn near this next day. So all I'm going to do is I'm just waiting for my wife to get home so she can give me a guide up on the ramps. But as I said, this piece comes, they don't just sell this, I wish they did, but it comes as an entire piece. So I'm gonna just take down that old one, or the one that was stock on the car, and just put this new one up, or I could just literally take this off and put it up. But since this is a whole new one, I'd rather just do that. Also, something that I got on a little bit of a deal, I'll link it in the description. These are magnetic drain plugs with that crush washer gasket, the one with the little bit of blue on it, as you could tell. Okay, now the reason why I got this was because when I checked that oil plug, they really tightened that thing down, like way more than 30 foot-pounds, which this requires. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the oil plug and swap it out with a new magnetic plug and that gasket. And I'll show you a trick that I've known for over 20 years, how not to spill a drop of oil when you're doing this. So underneath, obviously you can see where it's missing here. To pretty much, it's easy to get this out, just a bunch of pop clips surrounding it, but then these bolts over here, it looks like 10 mil bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, you got to loosen them to get this shield off, because it's reinforcing the shield. Real simple stuff, nothing crazy. So let me just pop these off and I'll show you the end product real quick. All right, so here's the old one, pretty much identical, except with, this piece that they didn't put back. But the good thing is we got the hardware for it that comes with it, and I'll just reuse the old hardware. But underneath is pretty freaking nice. It's like freaking new under here.
Look at that. Pretty damn new. So now I'm gonna swap out that drain plug with the crush washer.
All right, so this is a trick that I've known for freaking like 25 years. So let's say you change your oil or whatever the case might be, and now you freaking, let's say you added way too much oil in the system. This was a way of preventing, like say if you opened up the plug, you can control how much drains out without dumping a shit ton of oil and having to waste it. So you take your vacuum, you put a cloth over the nozzle, and you put it right inside the crankcase. Not too deep or anything. Once you turn on the vacuum, it's going to create a big suction. And it's, you know, obviously you put the cloth right there so it's not sucking up any type of oil. So now, what's going to happen is once we start that, once I take off the plug, you'll see no oil falling out at the bottom.
All right, so I'm under here, and I can already hear the suction. See what I'm saying? 25 years experience. Now I'm just going to torque this down to 30 pound-feet. Yeah, so my wife was just saying she thought that technique was definitely not going to work. And obviously, I show up and prove everybody wrong. So let me just torque this real quick. All right, so everything is back on. That shit looks spectacular. I actually took it down for shits and giggles. It's actually really easy. I don't even understand how they forgot to put that shit back on there, but it is what it is. But it looks pretty damn good. All the clips are back on, and we're good to go. So now I don't have to worry about it. The brand new magnetic plug is in there with a brand new gasket, torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Everything is good, so I'm ready for my trip. And as I showed you guys, my wife and my daughter were doubting me. They're like, yeah, that trick is not going to work. It works. All right, so guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. I'll link everything in the description. I'll link the shield in case somebody needs to buy one. And I'll link those drain plugs with the gaskets. All right? Take it easy, guys.